are so many apps that you can use to make money online here in Kenya and worldwide. However, guys, I have tried some of these apps and they've not worked for me. I also have tried some of these apps where you make money, but it is not easy to withdraw that money from the app. And it has turned into a big discussion where some people say it is not easy to make money from apps, while others says it is simple and you can easily make money from these apps. Some even come with a proof that they've been able to make money out of this site, while some of us, when we try making money from these apps, it becomes so hard. In today's video, I'll show you some of the best apps here in Kenya that you can make money online. These are the apps that I have tried and I can tell you for sure they work. I do not know whether these apps are functional in other countries, but I know for sure these apps are functional here in Kenya and you can be able to make good money out of them here in Kenya. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the Sarah Duo channel. Do not forget to subscribe and also hit that like button and also share the video if you find value in it. The first app here in Kenya that you can make money online is Jumia. Everyone knows about Jumia here in Kenya, and in case you do not know, it is the biggest e-commerce company here in Kenya. They have an affiliate program which is called Jumia KON, where you earn commission once you promote product to people and they make purchases. It is very simple. You promote certain product and people click and buy those products from Jumia, you earn a commission. Jumia has almost everything you may think about it. It has food stuff, it have electronics, it have different types of product, and almost everything that you may think it is on Jumia. According to your lifestyle or according to where you are right now, you can be able to promote different products to different types of people. Join the affiliate program. You just go on Google and you search for Jumia KON and register as an affiliate, start promoting products, and once people make purchases, you earn a commission out of it. The money is not as much as you may think, but the more effort or the more work you put into it, the more you're able to earn. The more you promote product, the more people make purchases, the more you're able to make. So the biggest secret here is promoting as much as possible and being able to convince people to buy product from your link. So on Jumia, the more effort you put in, the more money you're able to make. The second app where you can use to make money online here in Kenya is Kiny Mall. Kiny Mall is also a big e-commerce company here in Kenya and it is very easy to use it. You register on their website, then you start advertising and promoting stuff, different types of product, because they have a wide range of product from electronics, food stuff, different types of product. And once customers make a purchases, you are paid. The same principles apply. The more effort you put in, the more you promote, the more people buys from your links, the more money you make. The commission rates on Kiny Mall varies from 2 to 8%. It means the amount you make varies according to different types of product that you sell and according to how much effort you put in terms of marketing and promoting different stuffs. The third app where you can make money online here in Kenya is on Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that connects businesses and talents and skilled individuals. You can easily get any form of work or any form of task from Upwork. For example, you have writing, social media management, virtual assistant, accounting, project, human resource gigs, captioning. Depending on your skill and expertise, anyone can easily make money out of Upwork. To start off on Upwork, download the app, create an account, optimize your profile, and start bidding on different projects that you know for sure you can be able to work on them. The secret here is bidding on jobs that you know for sure that you can be able to deliver, all according to your expertise and the skills that you have. Unlike the Jumia and Kiny Mall, Upwork has a great potential of making so much money. Many people have made a living out of Upwork with different skills or with very easy or simple skills like writing or captioning. So according to your skills and expertise, you can easily be able to make a living out of Upwork if you put in the work and the effort. A Actually, I have seen many people who make a living or earn a living out of Upwork. The fourth app that you can download and start making money here in Kenya is Fiverr. Fiverr is my favorite platform when it comes to making money online. It is a marketplace where you create an account, optimize it when using SEO, and clients will start approaching you with jobs. I know some people find it so hard to get their first gig on Fiverr, but the secret is creating or optimizing your profile using SEO terms. And in case you do not know how to optimize it, I have a video that I explain how you create a good profile on Fiverr. I also have a detailed video on how to find your first gig on Fiverr as a beginner. I also have explained about Fiverr on the video that I said how I made my first 1000 USD online, and it was via Fiverr. Once you put in the effort and be able to do everything that they requires, you can easily make a living out of it. The fifth app that you can make money online here in Kenya is on YouTube. And guys, I don't mean like you create a couples channel or a lifestyle channel or a cooking channel. You can start a fitness channel and start making fitness videos and monetize the videos. You can also start creating educational content. For instance, this one that I'm giving is educational content. And guys, I do my content on the phone, and I know so many other creators who do their content on the phone. YouTube has the biggest potential to make money out of all these apps that I have discussed. Also, there are no limitations, all extra skills that you need to know to create content on YouTube. You just need your phone, get a niche, start creating videos, and at some point you'll be able to monetize and run with it. And I know for sure, maybe you know one person or two who does YouTube for a living because it has become a thing, and it is open for everyone. How to get started? If you're watching this, you already have a page on YouTube. Just go and create a channel and start making videos. To get the monetization faster, you need to do a few things. For instance, getting a niche, being consistent, and the discipline to learn about YouTube and YouTube SEO and be able to improve yourself on a daily basis. And guys, if I was able to hack it into the YouTube monetization program, you can also do it. So guys, those are the apps that I have tried, and I know for sure that you can be able to make money if you're here in Kenya. I am not sure whether other apps apply to all countries, but for example, YouTube and Fiverr and Upwork, anyone from whichever country can be able to make money out of them. And that is it for today. In case you have a question, drop it down on the comment section. And guys, in case you know Fiverr and you've not been able to make any money or get your first order, I do consultation calls and I'll give you all the secrets of getting your first order on Fiverr. Anyway guys, that is it for today. See you in my next video.